Good afternoon, sir. I am Jimboy Silandag and I am 17 years old. My dream is play attendant someday and my motto is study hard until I success.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Lozande Querido. I am 15 years old. I want to be a fireman someday. And my motto is work hard to be success.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is J.S. Cabal Cobelo, 15, and I want to be nurse someday, and my motto is believe in yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Clean Jane El Calario, 15 years old, and I want to be a doctor someday. And my motto in life is never give up and never think of giving up.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Gian Henry Bordas, 15 years old. My dream is become a firewoman someday. My motto is keep your eyes on the stars and feet on the ground.
Afternoon, sir. I'm Jingle Chad M. Taro. I'm 16 years old. And my dream is police someday. And my motto is if you can dream it, you can do it.
Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft. It allows users to organize, format, and calculate data using a system of rows and columns. Excel is widely used for tasks such as financial analysis, data visualization, and project management due to its powerful function. Formulas and charting tools. It is a key component of the Microsoft Office suite activity software. Excel as a spreadsheet application program from the Microsoft and a component of Office product group for the business application. Microsoft Excel is enables use to format, organize, and calculate data in a spreadsheet application.
By organizing data, using software like Excel's data analyze and other users can make information easier to view as data is added or changed. Excel contain a large number of boxes called cells that are ordered in rows and columns. Data is placed in these cells.
Excel is most commonly used in business settings. For example, it is used in business analysis, human resource management, operations management, and performance reporting. Excel uses a large collection of cells formatted to organize and manipulate data and solve mathematical functions. Users can arrange data in the spreadsheet using graphing tools, pivot tables, and formulas. The spreadsheet application also has a macro programming language called Visual Basic for applications.
Address bar. This bar located to the left of the formula bar shows the number and letter coordinates of an active cell. Filter. These are roles a user can employ to select what rows in a worksheet to display. This option is located on the top right of the home bar under Sort, and Filter. An auto-filter option can be selected to show rows that match specific values. Autofill. This feature enables user to copy data to more than one cell automatically with two or more cells in a series. A user can select both cells and drag the bottom right corner down to autofill the rest of the cells.
Excel terminology as components. Excel has its own terminology for its component, which is new user may immediately find understandable. Some of these terms and components include the following: cell, a user enter a data in the cell, which is the intersection of a column or row. Cell reference. This is the set of the coordinates where is a cell located, rows and horizontal number, where columns are vertical and assigned a letter. Active cell. This is a currently selected cell outlined by a green box. Workbook. This is an Excel file that contains one of more worksheet. This is our different documents next within a workbook.
AutoSum. This feature enables user to add multiple values. User can select the cells they want to add and press the Alt and equal K. There's also a button to enable this feature on the top right of the home page. Above fill and to the left or short filter. Pivot table. This is data summarization tools to sort and calculate data automatically. This is located under the insert tab on the far left. Pivot chart. This chart acts and visual AI to the pivot table providing graph representation of the data. It is located under the middle of the insert page next to the maps. Source data. This is the information that you use to create a pivot table.